Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. $1,000 per day with CryptoMaster Bot 2 trading software. Is it possible? And in today's trading session, I will make a live trading session using CryptoMaster Bot 2 trading software, and I will answer you to this question if it is possible to make $1,000 with CryptoMaster Bot 2 per day. If we can make $1,000 per day using CryptoMaster Bot 2 trading software. So if you want to see what's all about and if you want to see the results for today's trading session using CryptoMaster Bot 2 trading software, stay here until the end of this video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Chris, and in today's video, as I promised, I will make a live trading session again with CryptoMaster Bot 2. And as you can see here, my balance is $8,725, and as I promised, when I reach $10,000 I will make my first withdrawal with the CryptoMaster Bot 2 and Investus broker. And for those of you who are asking me, because I received a lot of emails about withdrawal is not about CryptoMaster Bot 2. CryptoMaster Bot 2, it's just making the money. The withdrawals, it's with your broker. In fact, here in my case it's Investus. Depending on every area you reside, you got other broker. So the withdrawal, it's about the broker. So hopefully in today's trading session I will reach $10,000, and in the next video I will make my first withdrawal with CryptoMaster Bot 2, as I promised, of course. Now let's go and but first thing first, I want to tell you, to those of you, and I repeat this because there are some other new members here on my channel, new subscribers, and they don't know what's all about with CryptoMaster Bot 2, and I want to explain all of them what's all about. And I apologize for those of you who already know what's all about with CryptoMaster Bot 2. CryptoMaster Bot 2, it is an automated trading software. That means when you click here from a signal provided by the software, the signal, it will be automatically placed into your assigned broker account, and you don't have to worry about stop loss, about take profit, about lot volume, and everything on this matter. The software will do everything for you. So all you have to do is to choose a signal from here and then sit and relax and wait to see how the software makes it work. So the software is working because, as you can see, I started this account with $250, and now I have in my account $8,725. I started this account, as I said, with $250 1 month ago. So the profit is $8,475. That means it's working. So if you want to try it, you have a demo. You can try it on demo, and then you can go into real money world. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access it. And let's go and let's start this trading session, and let's choose some signals provided here. I'm always telling you, first thing first, go to the economic calendar, to investing.com or whatever website it's offering an economic calendar, and see there if there are free star news in investing.com case. They are showing on stars, and if you see that on any particular asset, any particular pair, it's on the time you are trading, it's you see that it's free star news on it, then you should avoid that particular asset and choose another one. I already did this, so let's go and choose Euro AUSD AUD. Let's click on it, but first don't forget to click on trading button, click on trade Euro AUSD. These are trades that are expiring very soon. This one, it will expire in 70 seconds. So I told you and I forgot, and I did this mistake. I chose this this signal. So let's go here and start choose from here. Another thing, now I'm telling with I'm trading with $250. All right, let's choose Australian dollar, Swiss franc, and as you can see, all the trades are here in open trades box, and you will see all the trades here. Here are some settings that I'm using at this moment, but when you start with $250, the settings should be different, because you know you don't have too much money into your account. And if you decide to join CryptoMasterBot 2, you can email me at chrisbraga@gmail.com, and I will send you the settings that I used when I started this account with $250. No problem with it. All right, let's go and choose another one. Let's choose Australian dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Euro AUD, Euro GBP, GBP Canadian dollar, GBP US dollar, and let's choose no. Okay, that's enough. I have reached the daily stop loss. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 trades. So I have 8 trades already. I'm trading with $250, so we should see a nice profit in today's trading session. So this trading software is made especially for newbie traders, because it's very easy to use, and all you have to do, as I showed you, is just click here and choose from here, from trading signals box, choose a signal, and then that's all you have to do. The software will place the trades into your broker account. Now, that being said, I will skip this video because I don't want you to wait. From my experience, I know that it will take some time in order to all the trades to be closed, and I will be back with the results for you. Stay here, don't go. Alright guys, so I'm back with today's trading session, and as you can see here, already 5 trades are closed, and we have 4 trades in the money and 1 out of the money. 1 it's a losing trade and 4 are winning trades. And as you can see, we already, for today, we have $750 profit. So the profit here is to set the daily profit, not the overall profit. So as you can see already, we have another one which is a losing trade, but we still have $500 profit. So hopefully we will reach $10,000, and in the next video I will make an withdrawal, my first withdrawal with CryptoMasterBot 2. Now the best thing with this trading software is that it's not only it is user friendly, is the thing that it allows you to trade with multiple assets. As you can see, we can trade cryptocurrencies, but also forex, and the last one, and winning trades. So we have $1,000 profit for today's trading session, and we have $9,725. So we didn't reach $10,000 today in order to make the withdrawal. Maybe tomorrow, in tomorrow's session, for sure I will reach $10,000, and a day after tomorrow I will make a withdrawal too. So that's it. That's the video for today's trading session using CryptoMasterBot 2. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area, or write me at chrisbraga@gmail.com. If you want to use CryptoMasterBot 2, only go below this video in the description area, and I leave you there a link with their official website in order to be easier for you to access it. And that's it. That's the video for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.